Hi people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kim. This is my channel. Don't really know what we do on it. We just do lots of random stuff now. I give up on having a specific thing. I'm just doing anything that seems fun. So first off, I got really excited because while I was drying my hair last night, my hair went super wavy while it was wet. So I was excited that I was getting my natural waves back. And I plaited it to dry, and I'm pretty sure that these are just the waves from the plait, not actually. Oh, there's like a slight curl up here. This piece is just like, some of the pieces underneath at the top are a bit curlier. So I did used to have curly hair, and now it's like, look at that. What is that? That was point one. Point two, I'm in a really good mood today. I don't know why. I don't know what's got into me. I don't know why I'm so happy, but I'm really happy. So I thought I'd film, and I had something to film anyway, so it's all good. So before we get into the main thing that we're filming, I've just been shopping and I bought the cutest pyjama set. I just have to show you. It's like this. I'm really into neutrals at the minute, and it says this on it. Cute. Kind of care, kind of don't. It's cute. And it comes with these like little floral brown shorts. Is that not the cutest little pyjama set you've ever seen in your entire life? It is for me. I saw it in a slip it, so they did it in like a black with some words on, and I don't know, some other stuff as well. That was from Primark, by the way, and it was £8, so that's not too bad. Let's get on to the exciting thing. So I went on the TikTok shop and I bought the PLouise brush mystery bundle thing. It's a new brush bundle. There was no pictures of the brushes online, so I didn't know what I was buying. All I know is that there's 22 brushes, and I opened the packet like this, and look at how cute that is. Look at this packaging. I feel like it looks like it's come from like a royal family. It's got like a little wax seal on it, and it's got loads of cute things on it. It's like, remember, never give up just because someone tells you that you can't do it. And it says, dear babe, if they are testing your waters, they best learn how to swim, because remember, anyone who tries to bring down your name is already below you. Get swimming, you're on your way to success. Oh my love, PLouise. Did get a little bit damaged in the mail, and it's like, if we can do one thing to this world, we need to be kind to others. If lost, please return to the babe who didn't let her hate her ruin their happiness. It's really cute. I love it. I think it's really, really sweet. As you can see, I've not opened it yet, so okay. I love that. What does that say on it? It says sealed with love. Oh, it's got the new, like a new plasticky smell. I like that little wax seal. That is really cute. Okay, so all the brushes are in here. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna take them all out and show you what we got. Oh gosh, wait, no, I don't want to do that. I'll show you what we got and what I would probably use them for. First brush that's fallen out of the set, I guess, is, I don't have anywhere to keep them. I might have to keep them in this box for now, so I'm gonna have to like open them and show you them and then put them in here. I don't have anywhere else to keep them. So this is the first brush. It's this. These are really super cute, baby pink color, by the way. Like, look at how pretty that is, and it has like a gold thing. This one's a really, really tiny brush. I don't have any brushes like this. This is their 157 brush, and it says PLouise in gold engraving as well. So this is really cute. This could be really cute for like inner corner highlight, or like really fine detailing. This is really, I don't have a brush like this. This is really nice. I really needed some new brushes because my brushes are a little bit ew. I need a good clean. Yeah, they're not cute. So this one is the 191 brush. Again with the same packaging. It's got this like I dropped it. It's got this like fluffy top. It's very like, I don't know if you can see, very domed, very fluffy, but it's like flat at the sides. So it's like a flat fluffy shader brush. This is for eyes, and you can like blend it around and stuff. This is gonna be the world's most boring video because I don't think you guys want to see this kind of thing. But we're unboxing it together anyway. This is the 159 brush. This is like a really like the first brush, but like more like a dome shape. I don't know if I can show you properly. This would be really good for like smoking shadows under the eye, or like really fine detailing. Like I feel like that would be really good for that. I love these feel really nice. I think that would. I love the gold on the tip. I don't think you guys can really see what I'm doing because I'm filming on my phone today. It's a bit meh. So this is the 158. Is the other one the 159? Okay, right. So this is just like the slightly larger than the other one. Can you see? I needed a lot of like detailing brushes. And I didn't have any. I believe this whole set was £60 for 22 brushes. I'm not sure. I'll put the price on in the corner or something. So this one is a large brush. This is the 644 brush, and it has this like, it's like not plastic netting, it's like silicone netting around it. I'll pull this off. Oh, I like, that's really soft. Can you see that? Can you see how soft that is? I mean, you can't see how soft that is. I'm going to put that back around it, because we're going to preserve the brushes because I'm not using them right now. I'm going to try to do this with the brushes and keep them preserved for as long as possible. Another preserved one. Oh, this one has to come down this way. Okay, I've just got loads of plastic around me. So this is the 671. I always push these up because I don't want the bristles to get damaged. Oh my gosh, look at this. Is this not perfect for like dusting away powder under the eyes? I think I have a new under eye powder brush for like dusting away the baking. There's a couple more like eyeshadow brushes. I have one like this already. This is the 196 brush, and it's like an angled shader brush. I do use a brush like this quite a bit in some of my videos, and I tend to use it to put makeup in the crease because it already has that sort of angle to it. You can sort of, you know what I mean, angle the makeup. This again is very soft. This is the 634 brush. Not quite sure what you would use that for. I've never seen a brush like this in my life. Like, is it meant to look like that? Is it like broken? Is it meant to be more like a fan brush and meant to be up here and it's someone's cut it wrong? I was kind of hoping that there would be a specific... I have a Zara perfume tester too, and that stinks and vile. So then I have this like, it's the 128. It's sort of like a flat brush, but it's still quite fluffy. I don't know if you can see how thick that actually is. I was kind of hoping that there would be like a more of a flat like shader brush to be like a cut crease kind of thing. It's a bit more fluffy than I don't really know what I'd use this for. That's what I was kind of expecting to have in here, because a lot of their videos is like, oh wait, I may have spoke too soon, but this is quite large. So this is more of a flat, like what I was kind of expecting, more tapered to the end. This is the 614, but it's quite large. I feel like this would be for like applying concealer in the eye area. Know what I mean? I keep saying, oh, you know what I mean. As opposed to doing a cut crease, because I feel like it's quite large to do a cut crease. I should have done an order. Look at this. This is going to be so nice for like buffing out, because it's so like fluffy. Can you see how fluffy that is? For like buffing out the shadows and blending everything together. This is going to be perfect for that. Like, yes. Okay, so this is like a flat brush, and I would probably use this to cut the crease. It already has like the sort of angle, so you could like drag it up like this, or like down like this, you know what I mean? And like, yeah, cute. What did I say? 135, this one. I'm telling you the numbers just in case you're wanting to buy them, or the bundle. I don't know if they're getting sold separately. This is the 127. Look at that. That is like perfect for like, I know that they have like that cut crease carver thing. This would be the perfect brush for that. Or dip it in micellar water and remove like the makeup. Or it'd be really good for under the eyes, or like stamping on like a liner across the lash line. I'm very impressed, and I say this like in the best way possible, I'm very impressed that there isn't like one of those spoolie eyebrow ones that no one uses. They haven't put one of those in here, which is a first for any. I've just ruined this brush, 1 second. There we go. Usually you get the really pointless brushes, and there's no pointless brushes in here so far. I've not gone through them all yet. Whew, it's really warm in here, but I don't want to take this off in case I'm like, because I have like a brow, yeah, like you can see it. It's not very subtle, so I'm going to leave this on. This is the shade, no it's not, Kim. Oh my god, it's 6 p.m. and I'm tired, but I'm so like full of, not energy, but I'm really happy today, like I said in the intro. This is the 667 brush. Ooh, so this is similar to the one that I was on about for under the eyes, but I feel like this would be a good highlight brush. It has a really big like a sleeve on it. Can you see how big that sleeve is? Let's see what this brush looks like. Okay, is this just like another powder brush for under the eyes, or like maybe highlight? I put the camera on. I'm looking into getting a camera so the quality is a bit better for you guys, because I don't like the way that the iPhones do this effect on them. Like everything's really dark, but it's not that dark in this room. Like my hair's a lot lighter than this. Apparently not. This is the 678 567 in my boobs. Oh, sorry. I'm sure there is like something wrong with my brain. Okay, so this, I have a brush similar to this, and I used to use it for blush, like powder blush on the cheeks. It's the Real Techniques one. Do you know which one I mean? Like the tapered blush brush, but I have the mini one. I used to use that for blush. I really like this. Okay, I really expected one of those flat foundation brushes in here as well, and there isn't one. Okay, so this one's really chunky. This is the 685 brush, and I'm gonna have to see what all these are used for. I mean, like, do you reckon this is for contour? Because it's quite like, you know what I mean? Like, I feel like that'd be a good contour brush. Yeah, I never use brushes what they're intended for anyway. Nice, that's like a smaller version of that brush. I guess you could use it for foundation, like to put foundation on. I don't know, I need PLouise to come out with like a little cheat sheet for these, because I have no clue what half these are for, and I've been playing around with makeup for quite some time now, since I was like 13, and I'm like 25 this year. Like, they're really nice brushes, but I don't know if I'm gonna use them all. I guess it was like a mystery though. They didn't show you what they were going to give you. This is the 650 brush. Ooh. Oh, this is more of like a, I don't know. I feel like, is this a foundation brush? Like a chunky one? Like a powder brush? I don't know. I expected a lot more eyeshadow brushes, because they do a lot of their tutorials are based around the PLouise Rumour eye base and the coloured bases. So I kind of thought that they were going to bring like an eye brush set with a few face brushes, but these are predominantly face brushes, and I don't know what half of them do. Like, what is this? I don't know what it does. I feel like it fits under the eye really nice, but then I feel like all of them seem to be for under the eye. I don't know. Maybe I need to go back to school and learn more about makeup. And then we have the final brush, which I've just ruined. I've just completely destroyed it. Oops. Okay, so this, I would definitely use this for highlight. Like, it's so fluffy, so soft. This is like a highlight brush. So that is everything you get in the PLouise brush bundle. I don't know if all the bundles are the same. I presume they are. But that's what you get. You get 22 brushes, some eye brushes, some face brushes. I'm not sure what all of them do. So we'll have to see if PLouise come out with like a little cheat sheet on what they all are, because I know this got released on their Instagram, their TikTok live the other day, and I bought them straight away as soon as they were released on TikTok live. The same day I bought the bases, but these came a little bit later. These came like 3 days ago, and I had to leave them until I had a day off to film, because I haven't had a filming day. thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and like this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Just let me know if you like it or not. You know what I mean? I love you guys so much. Bye.